How to add friends in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first I will open up the app itself, and here at the bottom you want to click on the middle icon, which is this one that I've just highlighted. It is the social hub. Now once we've gone to the social hub, in the bottom left corner you should be able to see an option for friends. If you click on friends, here it's going to display your friend list, so if you have any people added, and if you want to add a friend you will need to know their ID. So click on the icon right here that I've just highlighted again, as you can see, with the plus sign and the person, and you will be able to see your friend ID. So you can copy this and send it to people, and if you enter their ID right here at the bottom, you can search for them and then you can add them. So if I do it like that, I'll search for it. This is your own ID, but if you find a person, you will be able to locate their account and you can add them as a friend. And the request is going to appear here in the approve section. So just approve this person. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.